Pippin, are we ready to go to Scotland? So I'm just going past the Welsh pool, about 3 hours into the journey, isn't it, Pippin? We've just crossed the England-Wales border, and just 4 hours in now. Another 4 hours to go.
Got invincible fence letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft.
We've arrived at Loch Trool.
You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence.
Morning, Pippin. Oh no, I see hundreds of midges. Okay, just setting off to walk up the Merrick, which is the highest mountain in South Scotland. So this is the Collie bothy. It's pretty basic, it could do with some windows. Pippin, here. It says you're crossing the line. There's mountain or forest zone. So this is Loch Enoch or Enoch. Heading off.
I was driving down the coastline. I had no thought of destination. I was just hoping it would make me feel fine. I guess it was some kind of contemplation.
Pippin. This is the Mull of Galloway.
And I was checking every road sign for hidden messages I might find. Yes, I was looking everywhere for some kind of sign to let me know I was doing fine. Don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you said. Don't you wanna know that you will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look back.
That's the Isle of Man across the sea there.
I had been driving for so long now that I forgot what I was leaving.
Now, are we ready to go for a walk?
Couldn't even tell you what road I was.
This is the first thing in the morning at Mull of Galloway. This is Raiders Road car park, and you should be able to stay the night here. I think it's £7. This is a little forestry park up that's on park for night, not far from Loch Ben. This is another Bruce's stone, this time commemorating the battle in March 1307. So this is the Clattering Shores. Clattering Shore Loch is behind. Bit of a dull morning, but it's dry at least. Yeah, look at what some people have done. They've just camped here and then dumped 2 bin bags full of rubbish. As if the bin men were going to just come in the morning. But what's going to happen is they're going to get ripped open. Foxes, badgers, something will rip them open and there'll be litter strewn all over the place. So very little choice. I'm going to pick them up and take them. And I think there are some big bins down near the visitor centre and we can put them in there.
When everyone folds, your fork still holds your place in your bed, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you're made of glass. Got an invincible thing.